Well, good morning, everyone. It's Donna. How are you? It's Labor Day today. And I'm like looking at some fat quarters here. If you're like most quilters, I'm sure you probably have a few. And I'm doing this mystery quilt right now. And my last clue is about to hit me this coming Wednesday. And then I'm sure I'll be finishing that up. Although, if it's like last week, I'm going to have a lot of decisions that I'm going to have to make. Now, you may wonder why I have all of these fat quarters here. I mean, I've got stacks. These have been pressed. These are still folded. There's probably some more over there and some cubes. Fat quarters. I buy fat quarters because I like playing with fat quarters. A lot of times I use them for doll clothes. Sometimes I use them for testing a quilt block or something. And hey, it's just what I do. I like buying fabric, and if I like it, I buy it, even if it's just a little bit. Anyway, starting September 20th, there is going to be a free Mystery 50 mini quilt called Starry Night, I believe, that only requires 6 fat quarters. You don't have to buy them from your dealer. You can pull 6 fat quarters from your stash. So I'm here looking at some of mine, trying to determine what I want to use. I want to kind of coordinate it. I see kind of this with this and that. That might be good, but for a starry night, I don't know. So I'm going to try to find me some fat quarters that I'm going to use, because I'm going to be doing it again. And I'll leave the link below to the quilt shop that I'm going through to get the clues. You can use any participating quilt shop to get the clues and do the mini starry night quilt. So the clues start on September 20th, and I hope to see you there. I hope to see you drop some pictures and stuff in Andy's group. I'm going to leave that link below. She's on Facebook. I've posted stuff there on my current one. Anyway, I hope to see y'all. And, whether I do or not, if you got 6 fat quarters, find a quilt shop local to you and join in. It's free. So, why not jump on the mystery train? Till tomorrow, I'll talk to you then. Bye.